So I hate YouTube's like little. Okay, nature. The fuck. So I hate YouTube's like little. So I hate YouTube's little short feature where you have to sit there and change the time up in the top corner because it's so confusing compared to like TikToks. But yeah, figured I'd hop on here and do a quick short. Do you ever like want to be productive and you have everything planned out and you go to sleep early and you wake up at like 3 a.m., can't go back to sleep? The struggles. Shut up. Also, the struggles. Living in the middle of fucking nowhere